All donations raised at each individual event stay with the food shelf in the community where you've donated. The CP Holiday Train teamed up with the London Food Bank this year. A volunteer in London for the food bank explains more.
Today we are collecting food for the London Food Bank, a donation from as many people as we can. We're trying to help the community out at this time of year.
Each holiday train consists of 14 brightly decorated rail cars in various festive themes, including a traveling stage for performers. Each rail car is decorated with hundreds of thousands of technology-leading LED Christmas lights. The holiday train brings London together as a community over the holidays, with returning spectators who look forward every year to seeing the train.